Hi, Angel Lady Terry Marie here, and here is the warehouse. Okay, well, you can see it behind me. I'm going to rotate slowly, and the front door faces the north. So that means on this wall we have, oh, let me change this so you can see it. There we go. On my east wall, I have a mirror and a Hamsa hand and some protection facing the west wall to deflect any of those energies. Now let's see, here we go. 3 months ago yesterday, so this is October 1st and 2025, and we now have new shelves and clean new, what do you call the, oh yeah, shipping things, right? I got to order all new shipping things. I found my baskets, one of my angels, one of the beautiful orgonite pieces that was a special gift from a beautiful soul across the ocean, and my cat. So what is all of this? These are my prosperity trinkets. They are the symbols, you know, the cute things. And yes, I'll get to the posts. This big space here is going to be for my drums. I have on order some heavy-duty magnetic hooks. We've got some smaller ones here, but they don't hold a whole lot. So we've got a beautiful, what do you call that thing? Oh my gosh, you would think I would know what these things are. Butterfly, hello. And some angel things, and these are on the west wall. Yes, east-west. Over here, all of these bins are my collection, and hopefully someday, in the not too distant future, I will have more shelves here that I'll be able to display them. In the meantime, I have, well, more packing material, and these are some of my books that I would get into a lot sooner. My crystals for healing, all of my crystal reference books. This is just a small part of my library. Then we have, this is all the chakra and energy healing and some other books here. Then we have the angels, okay, and more of my crystal collection, my personal collection there. So let's get into, oh, I have collected sand over the years from Waikiki, white sands in Alamogordo. This is from Sedona, and this is also from Waikiki. It has some shells in it. My mom got it for me. Over here we have all the bins, and some of them are emptier, thank heavens, because that means more and more crystals, minerals, and stones have found their forever homes. So each bin is labeled. If there is something that you would like to see, put that in the comments or message me later, and we can arrange a personal shopper tour. Wouldn't that be awesome that you get to pick out through a video call here through Messenger? So we have pyrolusite, amethyst, more amethyst, black tourmaline, all kinds of things here. Orichalcite or calcite, aragonite, steelbite clusters, and then I have some crystal jewelry. These are the omiyagi, which is a little something that every order gets. It's a special little crystal, just my way of saying thank you. So let's see, do this. These are all bins, all waiting to find their new forever homes. We've got spheres, palm stones, obelisks, clusters, raw pieces, all kinds of everything. And even some amazing, I think they're amazing. You talk about wanting to set up something for your sacred space. Let's go out here into the sun a little bit. And hopefully there's not too much sound. We are at the warehouse. Okay, that's not helping. All right, so this is a yin-yang selenite. We've got the orange and the white selenite candle holder. These are awesome. Yes, my opinion. Okay, so we've got hemimorphite, calcite, got a few smudges and resins left, and this beautiful angel is helping to guard. She made it. I have, 3 months ago yesterday, I moved from a ranch homestead situation to this new place back home in El Paso, Texas. And it feels like I've been here this whole time. Oh gosh. Right. So I also have, going back over here, also have to help protect from the energy. This is Himalayan salt, organic, with some sage, lavender buds, and the blue are pieces of selenite, fingers or blades. And this is one of my wealth bowls. Take it out of the plastic there. Okay, at the very bottom, I don't dare tip this over, at the very bottom there is a dollar bill. And then when I find change on the floor or on the ground, I add it. So we've just got a whole bunch of different kinds of pieces here. And this one is sodalite. This is red hematoid quartz, piece of selenite. Let's see what is over here. I think we have, this is a piece of carnelian, gorgeous. And trying to look through the camera at the same time y'all are seeing it. And it's a little bit, okay, this is a piece of chrysocolla. These are just gibbles that I had from other projects and whatnot. So this is where we are. And if you would like to do some personal shopping so you can actually see the crystals, let me know what it is you'd like to see. Send me a message or put it in the comments. We'll arrange a time that works for both of us, and you can shop kind of sort of in person between, with camera. We'll do it right here through Facebook. All right, beautiful soul. Oh, yes, if you've got any questions or what part you'd like best or what you would like to see differently next time around, let me know. And please do share this with at least one person if you don't mind. Have an amazing day, beautiful soul. Okay, so let's see.